Hello everyone, welcome back. And yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing the Roads to Nationals replay here. The edge comparison. Edge is a little bit bigger. It's kind of a big difference when it comes to yo-yos. That's a pretty big difference. Genesex, teeny, and then Atlas. A lot of a difference. Let's throw it. So this yo-yo is good for finger spins, for starters. You can do them, but they're not insane. It's also a super cheap yo-yo. It's like $15 for the Pro. Don't get the replay, the Pro's better. And this is one of my first unresponsive yo-yos. Very good, and I think you can even do a grind on it. Yeah, kinda. It's that type of plastic that kind of grinds kinda well. And I think it comes with a center check mirroring. So what you're getting for this yo-yo is really good. Spins for a decent amount of time for a unresponsive starter yo-yo. But like, it's really good. Obviously wouldn't use it to compete. It's a little bit plasticky for that. And it sometimes can become responsive on you. But other than that, it's just an all-around good yo-yo. I don't really use it that often, but like when I do, it's a good one. And I have fun. It's just a fun yo-yo. Thank you all for tuning into the video, and I hope to see all of you in the next video. So if you haven't already, pound that red subscribe button down in the bottom and hit a like. And if you have any comments or like questions on the yo-yo, then yeah, throw them down in the comment section. And hope to see you guys next time.